Hello everybody, today we'll be talking about COVID-19. COVID-19 is a virus, but what are viruses and how are they different from bacteria? Viruses are small, microscopic parasites which are much smaller than bacteria. For example, the measles virus is about 8 times smaller than an E. coli bacterium. Another way viruses are different from bacteria is that viruses are not technically living things, as they cannot process the information given by their DNA or RNA individually without help. The COVID-19 virus is a virus from the family coronavirus. The coronavirus family includes the common cold, SARS, MERS, and other respiratory viruses. Like all viruses, COVID-19 enters and hijacks healthy cells in your body and then makes copies of itself. And at the end, it will kill the cell. But how does COVID-19 attack our body? First, COVID-19 goes down the respiratory tract and latches onto cells with a type of receptors called ACE2. Since there are more ACE2 receptors deeper down in the lungs, COVID-19 is more likely to attach to cells much deeper down than other viruses. This may lead to inflamed lungs, which then leads to pneumonia, which is an infection of the alveoli where your blood exchanges CO2 for oxygen. Some people can also experience ARDS, which is an increases debris in your lungs, which can reduce oxygen level and cause your kidneys, liver, and other organs to shut down. But how did COVID-19 spread to humans? The COVID-19 was first identified from a city in China called Wuhan. Where exactly in Wuhan is unknown. Early guesses about where it came from leads to a seafood market, but the first reported case of COVID-19 had no connection to it. How does COVID-19 spread from human to human? COVID-19 is spread through droplets from an infected person's breath, sneezes, or coughs. It can also stay on surfaces for about 24 hours if someone touches the surface and spreads it to their face. The best way to not spread or get the virus is to wear a mask and gloves, as well as practicing social distancing, and wash your hands regularly and exercise and balance your diet. A balanced diet and exercise can better your immune system to protect yourself from the virus. About 100 COVID-19 vaccines are being researched, but what exactly is a vaccine? A vaccine is a small dose of the virus that's dead or weakened. This is then injected to a human for the human's immune system to develop antibodies against the virus, so that if a real threat came, the body knows how to fight it off. Why is it taking so long though? The vaccine needs a long time to make because it needs to be tested hundreds of times. If not, it can possibly harm the person taking it. Goodbye and stay safe.